Hello, I'm gonna show you how you can change the displayed name of your toolbox components in an assembly as they appear on your model tree. You can change the names so that they display the configuration name, which is far more easily to understand which part you have inserted. Now let's see how we can do this in SolidWorks. We have here an assembly with two toolbox parts. They are displayed as the file name. To change that, we go to Options, we select Toolbox Options and Configure. From there, for the Define User Settings, we have an option for the display, how to show the component name. Instead of file name, we change it to configuration name and we save it. Now every part that we insert from the toolbox will be displayed with their configuration name. Let's insert a new toolbox part, and as you can see, it's displayed with the configuration name. Unfortunately, this doesn't change the part names that we already had in the assembly, but we can work around that. We can edit the toolbox part and just click OK without changing anything. The name will change. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this will help you.